Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Car Question. We're gonna have a fun video this week and we're gonna talk about electronic parking brake. And why is that? Because we're sitting in the new Honda Accord and right now you've got that electric parking brake that you can use to simply hold the car still, and it's even greater when you park and you've got that big hill right there, so it's gonna hold the car in place. But it's also used in case of emergency. So if you have no brakes, well, you can use that system, that feature to stop the car. And back in the old days, you got that handle, which was not really precise and often not working. Then how about those pedal braking for the parking brake, which was really not precise? And this year for the new Honda Accord, you need to have that parking brake engaged before you start the manual version of the Accord. So evolution is right there. And I also remember back in the past, you've got that old puller cable that was used to simply apply the brakes, and sometimes rust was an issue. It was not really working. It needed some adjustment. You've got the evolution also that the caliper was used to do that, and depending on the kind of car that you had, that section right there in the disc brake in the rear where it could apply some pressure to brake the car, and believe me, it was not really resistant to heat, so performance was not there. Today, they're using better system. The brake is applied to the front wheels through the calipers, and you've got also the stability and the ABS system that will work together to give you the braking in an emergency that you need. But what really does happen when you apply the brake on a brand new car, the electronic parking brake? Well, we're gonna try that. But first, let's see what happened with a good old truck. So there you go, there's a major difference with that little electronic part. And you've got often those brake hold feature that you're gonna see in new cars. So if you press on that, as soon as you will stop the car at a red light or even a stop for a few seconds, well, the brake will be applied, and as soon as you're gonna press the accelerator, the brake will release and you're gonna be ready to go. So that's gonna be perfect if you might have an incident, somebody hit you in the rear of the car, so the car will stay on place. And you've got those advanced cars that will detect if you had an impact in the rear and will apply all brake to make sure that you do not hit anybody if you go over the intersection. So there you go, the evolution of technology. Feel free to comment in the section down there below, subscribe to Car Question, and we're gonna see each other another time on another video of Car Questions.